And good afternoon everyone, Mythrojan here. And today, this is a knife day, because actually, this lovely little one that so many of you were actually really appreciating is getting a little brother. So you can see I'm carrying it right over there, and now we have like two members in our lovely little knife family. So both of them are the same knife, that kind of super cool, lovely little knife, which is so convenient in event, on camp, or even like in the everyday life. And this is very nice, this is very handy. The scabbard was really lovely with a very rustic appearance. But on the new little brother of that one, we have decided to go on a slightly different path. So as you can see, we have chosen a black leather this time. We are still in the same full grain, top quality leather, but this time it's black. And we have put a lovely brass lion head decoration on top. So very convenient if you are playing a bit later century stuff, or if you are in a fantasy world or anything. It's genuinely fitting better the kind of character that I am portraying right now. So just as I said, exactly the same knife, but a lovely little new scabbard. So it's a matter of choice. Will you go for the rustic one? Will you go for the more posh one? It's up to you, but one thing this year, it's going to be a lovely companion in every single of your adventure. Take care guys! We will catch you on the next one.
Meet Vessel Camp Supplies. It contains 70 pieces of essential gear, all perfectly organized into 8 neatly labeled screw-top containers and housed inside an indestructible, waterproof LED light. Each Vessel Camp is completely watertight and made from military-grade aluminum, keeping all the gear inside secure and dry. Vessel Camp Supplies, the world's most versatile outdoor adventure kit. It will change how you prepare for outdoor adventures forever.
This is the SA10, an air-powered Umarex handgun that combines all the technologies of modern semi-auto pistols. This unique-looking airgun takes advantage of both metal and polymer construction techniques that wrap around a drop-free magazine. The realistically heavy mag houses a 12-gram CO2 capsule and is capable of storing 3 spare 8-round rotary clips, in addition to its onboard regulated air valve, a technology that's engineered to propel a projectile while simultaneously blowing the slide back, giving the Umarex SA10 a firearm simulated feel. This rugged yet eye-catching piece incorporates texturing in the frame and grip, and slide serrations that aid in feel and function. Lasers and lights fit nicely on its under-muzzle Picatinny rail, and the ported metal slide reveals a gold-colored barrel that's nicely accented by a brilliant gold replicated breech block. Function has been incorporated into the SA10 at every level. The safety is disguised as a slide lock. The takedown lever allows for the slide to be removed, and there's a pivoting FAW trigger seat. The hammer visually operates when it's fired. The mag truly drops free, and the threaded muzzle will accept FAW suppressors. The SA10 has a rifled barrel and is dual ammo, which means you could shoot airgun BBs or pellets out of its versatile rotary clips. Get more trigger time with Umarex action pistols. Buy an SA10 today.